Map on the floor, talks about my hint. Heart in a hurry, mind making plans. Slow down my breath, 2 cans in. Stack every joint from fingers to shin. This is my essential block, where I ground, where I go, where I unlock. Every shake, every bend, every drop of sweat, building my strength and the length I forget. This is my essential block, where I lean into doubt till the time's to wrap. Holding on, letting go in the same deep pose. Get strong, get soft, letting everything close. Full to the front, hamstrings taut, palms on the cord, add all my black. Lift through my chest, hips draw back, tiny chest wings keep me on track. This is my essential block, where I ground, where I grow, where I unlock. Every shape,